How to make your Twitter or the X account private. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to talk about making your Twitter or the X account private so only approved followers can see your tweets and other content. So follow the steps. First, you need to install the latest version of X application on your mobile device. Simply launch the app and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account as well. Now tap on your profile icon, which is usually in the top left corner of the screen. Then go to Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Privacy and Safety that you will find between Monetization and Notifications option. Once you're in this page, tap on Audience and Tagging, which is the initial option in this box. Now you will see two different options of protect your post and protect your videos. You can go ahead and enable both of these options. Now if you're using desktop or browser, you can go to x.com, then go to the settings and privacy and log in and follow the same steps by going to audience and tagging and check the box of protect your tweets and save the changes if needed. So what happens when your account is private? Only the people who you approve can follow you. Only your followers can see your tweets, and your tweets won't appear in public and search results. And non-followers cannot retweet your tweets. You must approve all the new follower requests. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.